What's up everybody, welcome to another video. And in today's video we're going to be upgrading the light in my garage, but we call it the shop. So I'm going to show you guys the lighting and then let's get into it. So this is a single car garage, and the current lighting setup I do have in it is 3 4-foot LED bars. I set up this way because we mainly do work on the front of the cars, so with that the front is very lit. We don't really need lighting over this workbench area or the hangout area, if you will, because we do have, again, lighting from their reaches. We do have a light under here that we can also use. With that being said though, when we are in here working on a car, we do just want to do full body projects, the back is not lit at all. So with this 10-piece kit, it should be able to reach from the front all the way to the back, giving it even lighting. And again, it'll just be much brighter because it's a 10-piece kit. If you haven't seen the series on the shop upgrading, it went from being our garbage and storage area to pretty much transforming into this. I haven't done an update video, but we've gone ahead and acquired a bunch of other stuff, and we have way more space in here now, which is great, and way more organization. Shameless plug, shout out to the sponsor, ImportWorks. If you guys looking for some cleaning stuff, hit them up. Use your code Chevis and save yourself some money on them. Support your boy. But yeah, this is the kit I've gone ahead and upgraded to again. 10-piece kit, should be much brighter. And yeah, I'm going to move this car out so we can go ahead and get started on this video.
Start it up.
Alright guys, so what comes in the box is the 10 4-foot LED bars. You have 5 of these on-off controllers. You have, I'm not sure, I believe probably 10 of these in case you want to connect it to, say, your house. So it has the live wire, the ground, and all that fun stuff if you're into that. And you get 8 of these, I believe they're 4-foot connectors. And then in the bag you get, I believe it's 20 of these, so 2 per each light. And you have these connectors that connect them in case you put them side by side. I believe you can get 20 screws as well because 1 per clip. It does come with instructions on how to install it and how to do everything properly. And just go with the warranty, it says. So at first I wanted to do, I'll show you the pattern. I wanted to do like a diamond or hexagon pattern, but then it wouldn't cover the whole garage. So I'm trying to figure out what pattern I want to do now. Not too sure yet, but I'm going to figure that out. And when I figure that out, come back and we'll go in again to add that in. Okay, don't mind the fact that the bars are all connected. I just have to check them out to make sure that they're working. So this is pretty much how bright it is in the garage shop with just the 3 lights. I want to do a comparison and just see how bright it is now as opposed to like a before and after kind of thing, you know? So this is, again, the before, and then see the after when we're done. Okay, so I currently have the 10 LED bars laid out the way I want them. I actually have an extra one in my my studio or my office. I was going to add it to this, and that's why I was going to do a different pattern pretty much. But this pattern actually works out really well because with this setup, I can then go ahead and have these 4 lights in this square here. So it's pretty much gonna be the same thing like this, but just pushed back. So it'll be the same. I have 4 square here, which is great because I can have tons of lighting shining straight down into this area from working at the back. And then because of my setup for my garage, this metal piece cannot be moved. So what I'm gonna do, that's why I have these 2, which will continue from, so you have a light that goes there, and it'll continue off here and go. And so it'll be like that. And that way I get lighting throughout the whole of the garage. I'm gonna space them out probably pretty much like this. They're not gonna be touching everything like that. One I've spaced out a bit so light does sped properly. But yeah, and they're all being controlled off of my smart switches, which I love. So I'll have pretty much all these lights on, and if I ever want, I'll have probably get an extra one in my office and bring it here, and so I'll put it pretty much over here. So I'll probably just have 1 light for where we're chilling in the garage and we want to hang out, have 1 light for just here, and then the rest of these lights will all be for the garage. So I'll go ahead and figure out the wiring for all of them, and then I'll go ahead and get ready to put them up. As I got to the last one, I have no idea where I plugged it in. I really have to unplug them all to put them up. I can't put them up attached, so no idea why I did that, but I figured out the wiring. And so I have, as you can see, I have the main power for one of this set. So this one will come in through here, jump there, and then it goes there, there, jumps around, and that's one set for like the front area. And then I'll have power through this one, and it goes around, and then the reason why is because my power is over here, my smart switch is right there. So I turn that on, it'll go to those two, and then they'll power like each one. Like I have that one powering those. So it'll go to each set, which will power the back and the front, and then I have another smart switch behind the TV there, which goes to this main light, which I'll convert to the other main light that I get from my room. So this is the setup. We're gonna take these down now, and then start measuring and prepare where to put the lights up. Okay, so no idea what I was thinking with the other way. I went ahead and set up this way, trying to measure everything out. And it was just easier to go ahead and put them this way instead of, I don't know, I wanted them sideways. I think it would look nice and cool, whatever, but I don't know. It's just so much easier. I can connect them together with the little piece that connects together. I'll show you guys that instead of having to use a ton of those 4-foot extensions. So this will still be connected to one set, and the back I'm still gonna go ahead and do the square, and then that's plenty of light. And I'll still end up having the extra bar up here from the office, so tons of light. So I'm gonna go ahead and start measuring everything out, get ready to put them up. Honestly, thank God I found that chalk line, because I can't really see, but from before I was doing marks and they were clearly off. Well, that one's really good. That one's really good. The focus is. So actually I was doing pretty good with the marks. I was pretty accurate, but yeah, thank God I found that, because it's made it that much quicker. It's not focusing at all, guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, there you go, see? So we have 2 lines, and I'm just gonna measure 1 foot. It's like it's like the end, and that's where all the clips will go in. So let's go and get this done quickly. All right, so thankfully we found, you can't see, it's never focusing, the chalk line like I said, but I've gone ahead and drilled all of the clips in on both sides, of this side and that side. So I'm just gonna go and take down these 2 lights because they're in the way, and then put them up I don't know how to do this, so I'm probably gonna end up putting these lights up one by one, like putting it there and assigning it together and seeing if that works. It's either that or I put all 3 together and just try and put them up straight, but I'll try the first method. If not, I'll take them off and then go from there. So we'll see how this works out. All right, lights are in, they're powered up. This 6 at least. I'm gonna show you how bright it is because I can't explain anything, because you can't see anything, but here it is. So the garage is just, it's way brighter already, and this is only the 6. I still have the extra one coming, that'll be pretty much right there, and then these 4 will be going this, and again, this corner here. The only issue is with the power coming from probably there, trying to run it to the power source which is there. So I may end up just moving this power source over to like up in here, or I may just connect them off of there and somewhere up, whatever. I'm not too sure yet, but I'm loving the way this looks. It is so much brighter, and yeah, this is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure all that out. Hopefully borrow a ladder from my neighbor, and then go ahead and put these 4 up, and then we'll be done for the day with these lights. All right, guys, so we're done. All the wiring is done. We have a bench light here. We have the 6 lights down the main, and there are 4 lights in the back area. So I'll show you guys that. This is how it is with the just the 2 garage lights, pretty much, one on either side. And then this is with the bench light on, back light, and the main light. So it is pretty bright. I'm not a wiring guy, so please excuse the wiring. Like, I'm not professional at that stuff, but your boy did try. So this is essentially the bench light. It goes here to pretty much a globe smart switch or smart plug, so I can control off my phone or through Google. So that's for the bench light itself. And then we have the 6 lights here, which is connected to another smart switch, the smart plug, sorry, up there. And then it just runs through. They're all connected through these like plugs that go together, and then it just loops across, and then boom, back there. And then for the backlight for this little area, we have another smart switch, sorry, smart plug there. And it's just, you got the LED bar there, 2 connected, and then there. So what's pretty nice about this is you can have all of them on and it's insanely bright. It's crazy. Or you can just turn off the lights and have only the bench area on. Pretty much focuses on, again, the back area. So working on the bench, turn this light on and have the light, again, that's underneath the cabinet there on as well. But yeah, having all of them on, tons of light in here, it's crazy, loving it. So we're gonna pull the E36 in now and see how it looks with that, because that was the main purpose of that, and things like that. And yeah, honestly, for what I paid for this, I definitely recommend this to anybody who's looking to upgrade their lighting, because again, you've seen before I had these 3 lights, and they're decently bright, but this is way better. So definitely recommend the upgrade, and we'll go and pull the E36 in now. All right, guys, so all the lights are on. We have the E36 in the garage. It looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie, I think the car, you can see all the scratches and whatnot, but with the lighting and everything, the car, I'm loving it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely give a thumbs up, you know, leave a comment down below. And yeah, if I remember, I'll leave a link for these lights in the description. If not, just comment so I remember. But yeah, I'm loving the outcome. Like, this looks, and if you guys have money, why not do it too? So see you guys next one. Peace.